Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We are crating this to ship to Virginia, and we're building the custom pallet for it right now. That is a heavy duty custom pallet. We've got the 2x4x8s. We've got the heavy duty skid, and you can see they're cutting the 2x4s now. It takes about 3 hours to custom crate that cooker right there, and it will have 3/8 thick plywood walls all the way around it to protect it. So that's how your Gator is going to arrive when we ship it to you. So we hope to prevent and minimize damage to it when it transports from Houston to your location. But let's go over this 2448 Gator Pit hybrid, guys. As I've said in the past, Gator Pit was the first custom manufacturer of cookers that came out with a hybrid. We were the first ones to design and produce and come out with a hybrid. We've got the Pellet Pro or Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro Elite hopper on the side here. We've got a 1/4 inch thick 24x48 smoke chamber, meat chamber, and we've got a huge 24 diameter 1/4 inch thick by 24 long offset firebox. This offset firebox also has a grill ability built into it for your steaks, fajitas, seafood, whatever you want to cook directly over your fire. Right there, and it does have the sliding meat rack that hangs and suspends in place. Now, obviously, this cooker's not 100% complete as it is getting ready to be crated and shipped. So we've got things on here that we do for shipping purposes, like no gauges. But other than that, it's going to arrive like you see it, assembled on a crate. Put your gauges in it, season with cooking oil, fire it up, and get going. We've got, again, the Elite Pellet Pro, Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro. Comes with your meat thermometer, meat probes, your stainless steel upgrades, your upgraded auger motors, PID controller, digital push button. We've got the dual stacks that you see here. We've got a counterweight on it. 2448 comes with dual gauges, your stainless steel cool touch handles, not chrome plated, actual stainless. This one has the upgraded 8-inch casters with the foot brakes on it, greasable bearings, the heavy duty log rack, and it does come with a drop down shelf. Again, this is a custom one that we designed for a customer in Virginia for their restaurant barbecue business. Inside, you've got multi-level racks. There's your gauges boxed up. Some other items that go with the cooker that are there packaged as well. But we've got 3 slides in here. You have the upper and the lower that are at the standard levels. Let me step back. Maybe you can see that a little easier. The lower and the upper at the standard levels, and then we put one right in the middle in case this customer needs to get more racks of ribs, more chicken pieces in there, sausage links in there. They can throw that middle rack in there and really get a lot of meat in this 24x48. Otherwise, if they're cooking all briskets, cooking all butts, they pull that middle rack out, and now you've got the clearance top and bottom to cook those large 10-pound butts, those large 12, 15-pound briskets, and fill it up and get busy. I'm not going to go over all the quality in the Gator Pit because Gator Pit's known for its quality, and I've got 600 videos that goes through all that. But obviously, you've got your buffed out welds, your nice tight doors. No, that's not a big gap in there. That is intentionally like that because it's sitting on the meat rack. Again, they're getting this thing packaged and crated to ship to Virginia. So it's not 100%. In fact, the dial style air vents are taken off and put inside. That's probably what that packaging was in there because these things can stick out like a sore thumb and we don't want them getting bent. Inside, you got your heavy duty fire grate, 1/4 inch thick, reinforced, framed out in thick angle iron, as you can see there. Thick angles. We do have gas assist. Gator Pit makes its own gas system. Unlike anyone else, most other manufacturers, if not all, will come in there and buy aftermarket burners, aftermarket igniters. They'll stick that in there. Those are guaranteed to fail over time and be replaced because they are consumables. I've only replaced one Gator Pit gas system in the 30 years in business, and it was due to, I can tell you exactly what it was due to. It was at a beach house in Corpus Christi. It was almost 20 years old, and it was neglected like all get out. So we had to replace the gas system in it, and we had to put some new casters on it. Not these casters, but had he had these casters, he wouldn't have been replacing these, but that's why we use these now. But that was it. The rest of the pit just needed to be cleaned up and painted. And that was an old pit sitting in the salty air, water, sand, etc. Here's your backside. We got again, that door counterweight makes it a one-hand job to open this big heavy door. We got stops back here that prevents that counterweight line right here from creating a line there. And now you see the line is only that one little spot there and a little spot right there, and not a whole line going around the back. Pretty cool. This hopper has the dump, which is standard, and look at that. It's got upgraded USB ports and a 110 outlet to plug whatever you want to plug into it. That's a pretty cool deal. Pretty cool. It does have the stainless steel fire pot, and we've got our push-pull handles right here, probe port right there. Might be hard to see because everything's black. And you got your Gator badging, stainless steel badging with stainless steel rivets. Just an overall beautiful, beautiful Gator Pit. Hybrid 2448, completely customized, and going to a barbecue restaurant business in Virginia. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. I'll walk you over here and get you all my information. You can see this at gatorpit.net. And yes, we got some big rigs going over here. There's all my information right there. Gator Pit is manufactured right here in USA, Texas. In fact, we're not buying pits and branding them. We're making pits right here in Houston. And I'll do a video of this big monster right here as well once they get it completely assembled and ready to head out. It's going to Odessa, Texas. But that's Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas, Houston, Texas, 713-896-0144. GatorPit.net. Check it out. Let me know what I can do for you. We can build it here in our shop. See ya.